Welcome to Vacuum Assisted Lost Foam Casting Process, often called as LFC or VLFC or EPC Expendable Pattern Casting. This is a variant of investment casting. Myself GD Mishra from General Dynamic Multi-Technical Consultancy LLP. We specialize in modern foundry process LFC and V process. Vacuum Assisted Lost Foam Casting, VLFC, is third generation molding process, and it uses unbounded sand. Vibrating compaction, vacuum is used for stabilization of the free-flowing dry molding materials. Minimum wall thickness of 3 mm can be cast. Typical surface finish of 2.5 to 5 micron or 100 to 200 RMS can be achieved. Typical linear tolerances of plus or minus 0.005 mm per millimeter can be adhered. We have following challenges in a foundry today. Environment. Attracting capable manpower to join foundries. Cost of raw material and power. We promote too efficient and modern molding process and provide end-to-end services for smooth adaptations in your foundry. Vacuum Assisted Lost Foam Casting Process. And Vacuum Process Casting or V process. Sand is a natural resource and soon going to become scarce. We already are aware of the sand mafia activities in various regions. Lost foam casting is essential an investment casting process, where in place of wax we use expanded polystyrene, APS or STMMA, which is a copolymer of APS and PMMA, that is styrene methyl methacrylate copolymer. Full mold process, replicast, or VLFC are all essentially lost foam casting process. But the process and practice differs in the black area or the mold closing area. Now let us discuss vacuum assisted lost foam casting process. Step-by-step understanding. With 1 kg of APS we can make 300 kg castings, so in fact pattern cost would be just about 50 paisa in the casting cost. That's still amazing to many of us. Firstly, we have to make foam patterns. Either APS beads are to the pre-expanded and foam patterns formed by a molding machine inside our aluminum-shaped die, or we take APS, thermocol, blocks and cut it to shapes needed by hot wire CNC, manual foam block cutting machine. These foam patterns are assembled and made into clusters or tree in case of small castings, and then ingate runner risers etc. prepared and glued. This tree is then coated with refractory layer and dried for 4 to 6 hours. This dried foam pattern assemblies are put in vacuum flask and sand is compacted around it with a 3D vibrator. The vacuum is applied while pouring for a few minutes. Then after cooling the castings is brought to knockout area, where the casting is extracted and the free-flowing sand goes for cleaning and cooling. Most economical molding process which can cast any size, any shape and weight. Optimization of casting weight between 5 to 10% by removing draft angles will save energy not only in the casting process, but in its product life cycle too. Intricate parts can be cast. No core, so no core cost, no rejections due to core shifting. No fins, so only grinding of ingates. Thin wall castings between 3 to 5 mm can be achieved. Very good surface finish, 120 RMS. Machining work is minimized. Sand is reused with less than 2% losses. Much cleaner foundry environment. Ductile iron, grey iron, steel, aluminum, brass, Mg all can be cast very successfully. Ferrous castings between 5 kg to 8 tons. Most adaptable is 20 kg to 500 kg weight range. Though now expertise has been achieved to cast even 12 to 18 ton casting by VLFC. Faster delivery, satisfied customers, more orders. Up to 15% savings in castings which doesn't have cores, and greater than 20% savings where core is needed in conventional processes. Often OEMs in today's competitive age tend to work at zero inventory levels. The burden is often passed on to their vendors. The more inventory as finished product, most cost to the foundry, eating away the profits. Energy saved as being efficient. LFC foundry can be maintained as most energy efficient foundries. This is the list of major equipment which completes our LFC foundry as a whole. There are few more instruments for pentane measuring, testing coating permeability, and physical lab and spectrometer. This capital cost is just being shared for an idea. We make financial sketch of the project to help you in decision making. Shop floor pollution is the greatest hazard for employees, and most of the foundries have a dirty housekeeping. As a result, most of the new generation engineers avoid coming to join foundries. LFC foundry can be kept very clean. There is nil release of fumes after pouring, because there is no binder in the mold or core. LFC process can be considered most environmentally friendly foundry processes of now. Video showing usage of CNC gluing of foam patterns. One can choose between hot glue or cold glue. Understanding the versatility of LFC process by examples. Different gray iron and ductile iron castings by LFC process. Disc brakes of LHB coaches of Indian Railways has good prospect for LFC, reducing its cost. Pump impellers have some very intricate castings. Even the submersible pumps are successfully being done in India. Almost all castings of tractor are done through LFC process in China. Few of them are being imported to India too. Complex automobile parts by LFC process. Steel castings by LFC. The machine shop was adjacent to the foundry, so could see the machining too. Almost no problems observed. Pellets cars and sinter cars. In steel industry regularly import grate bars from China, due to faster delivery. Few foundries in China and Russia are producing excavator tooth and chain links of tanks and crawlers by LFC. Large grey iron castings and steel castings are made regularly by LFC process. To save cost and due to ease of molding, various large castings are made by LFC process. These manganese steel claws are used in aluminum production process. Aluminum alloy castings are gaining much importance in vehicles. Copper alloys, brass castings specially for valves and firefighting industry. Small tractor engine blocks can also be used to make diesel engine generators and save costs. Engine blocks for many types of engines can be done. Cost of shell core is saved. More heavy engine blocks. Cylinder heads by LFC process. We make these foam pattern by gluing 2 to 3 layers. Cost of shell core is saved in a big way. Various transmission covers and timing chain cover. We provide end-to-end support. Plant designing as per your specific needs. Sourcing of equipment. Supervision of installation and commissioning. Hand-holding for minimum 3 typical castings and shop floor training is provided by us. Thanks for viewing this video. Do contact us for your needs.